What was the name of the shop? दुकान का नाम क्या था? Option is A. Gessler Brothers, B. Buttery Brothers, C. Cobbler Brothers, D. Schumann Brothers. Answer is option A. Gessler Brothers.
Where was the shop located? दुकान कहाँ स्थित थी? Option is A. Paris, B. London, C. Rome, D. New York. Answer is option B. London.
What was unique about the shop's exterior? दुकान के बाहरी हिस्से में क्या अनोखा था? Option is A. Bright signage, चमकदार साइनेज, B. Displayed many booths, कई जूते प्रदर्शित, C. No sign, only name, कोई साइन नहीं केवल नाम, D. Flashing lights, चमकती लाइटें. Answer is option C. No sign, only name, कोई साइन नहीं केवल नाम.
How did Mr. Gessler approach making boots? Mr. Gessler ने जूते बनाने का काम कैसे शुरू किया? Option is A. Hastily, B. Carefully, C. Randomly, D. Haphazardly. Answer is option B. Carefully.
How did the narrator feel when visiting Mr. Gessler's shop? श्री गेस्लर की दुकान पर जाकर वर्णनकर्ता को कैसा महसूस हुआ? Option is A. Excited, B. Nervous, C. Restful, D. Anxious. Answer is option C. Restful.
What was Mr. Gessler's response when asked about making boots? जब श्री गेस्लर से जूते बनाने के बारे में पूछा गया तो उनकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? Option is A. It's tough, B. It's easy, C. It's work, D. It's hard. Answer is option D. It's hard.
How did Mr. Gessler react when the narrator mentioned a problem with the boots? जब वर्णनकर्ता ने जूतों में समस्या का उल्लेख किया तो श्री गेस्लर की क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? Option is A. Angrily, B. Disinterestedly, C. Curiously, D. Thoughtfully. Answer is option D. Thoughtfully.
What did Mr. Gessler suggest when a pair of boots had issues? जब एक जोड़ी जूते में कुछ समस्या थी तो मिस्टर गेस्लर ने क्या सुझाव दिया? Option is A. Exchange for new ones, नए जूते बदलें, B. Fix them himself, उन्हें खुद ठीक करें, C. Do nothing, कुछ न करें, D. Pay less, कम पैसे दें. Answer is option B. Fix them himself, उन्हें खुद ठीक करें.
How did Mr. Gessler feel about non-custom boots? Mr. Gessler को गैर कस्टम बूट्स के बारे में कैसा लगा? Option is A. Excited, B. Amused, C. Angry, D. Indifferent. Answer is option C. Angry.
What did Mr. Gessler blame for the decline in his business? श्री गेस्लर ने अपने व्यवसाय में गिरावट के लिए किसे दोषी ठहराया? Option is A. Lack of skill, कौशल की कमी, B. Poor quality materials, घटिया गुणवत्ता वाली सामग्री, C. Advertising, विज्ञापन, D. Lack of demand, मांग की कमी. Answer is option C. Advertising, विज्ञापन.
How did Mr. Gessler's brother die? श्री गेस्लर के भाई की मृत्यु कैसे हुई? Option is A. Illness, बीमारी, B. Old age, बुढ़ापा, C. Accident, दुर्घटना, D. Starvation, भूखमरी. Answer is option A. Illness, बीमारी.
What did Mr. Gessler's brother make? मिस्टर गेस्लर के भाई ने क्या बनाया? Option is A. Shoes, B. Hats, C. Coats, D. Boots. Answer is option D. Boots.
What was Mr. Gessler's fate? श्री गेस्लर का भाग्य क्या था? ऑप्शन इज ए रिटायरमेंट सेवानिवृत्ति, बी सक्सेस सफलता, सी स्टार्वेशन भूखमरी, डी फेम प्रसिद्धि। Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
What did Mr. Gessler prioritize over his own well-being? श्री गेस्लर ने अपनी भलाई से ज्यादा किस चीज को प्राथमिकता दी? ऑप्शन इज ए वेल्थ, बी फेम, सी फैमिली, डी हिज क्राफ्ट। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी हिज क्राफ्ट, उनका शिल्प।
How did Mr. Gessler's dedication affect his health? श्री गेस्लर के समर्पण ने उनके स्वास्थ्य को कैसे प्रभावित किया? ऑप्शन इज ए improved it, सुधार हुआ, बी had no effect, कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा, सी worsened it, बिगड़ गया, डी made him wealthy, उन्हें धनवान बना दिया। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी worsened it, बिगड़ गया।
What did the narrator notice about Mr. Gessler upon returning to the shop? दुकान पर वापस लौटने पर वर्णनकर्ता ने मिस्टर गेस्लर के बारे में क्या देखा? ऑप्शन इज ए ही वॉज यंगर, वह जवान हो गया था, बी ही वॉज थिनर, वह पतला हो गया था, सी ही वॉज फिटर, वह फिट हो गया था, डी ही वॉज हैप्पियर, वह खुश था। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी ही वॉज थिनर, वह पतला हो गया था।
What was the reason for Mr. Gessler's decline? श्री गेस्लर की गिरावट का कारण क्या था? ऑप्शन इज ए लैक ऑफ स्किल, कौशल की कमी, बी लैक ऑफ डिमांड, मांग की कमी, सी कंपटीशन, प्रतिस्पर्धा, डी पुअर क्वालिटी मटेरियल्स, घटिया गुणवत्ता वाली सामग्री। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी कंपटीशन, प्रतिस्पर्धा।
How did Mr. Gessler's dedication to his craft affect his business? श्री गेस्लर के अपने काम के प्रति समर्पण ने उनके व्यवसाय को कैसे प्रभावित किया? ऑप्शन इज ए improved it, सुधार हुआ, बी had no effect, कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा, सी declined it, अस्वीकार किया, डी made him wealthy, उन्हें अमीर बनाया। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी declined it, अस्वीकार किया।
What did the narrator ultimately do with the boots he received from Mr. Gessler? श्री गेस्लर से मिले जूतों के साथ कथावाचक ने आखिरकार क्या किया? ऑप्शन इज ए wore them out quickly, उन्हें जल्दी ही पहन लिया, बी threw them away, उन्हें फेंक दिया, सी cherished them, उन्हें संजो कर रखा, डी sold them, उन्हें बेच दिया। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी cherished them, उन्हें संजो कर रखा।
How did Mr. Gessler's legacy live on? श्री गेस्लर की विरासत कैसे जीवित रही? ऑप्शन इज ए through his family, उनके परिवार के माध्यम से, बी through his exceptional boots, उनके असाधारण जूतों के माध्यम से, सी through advertisements, विज्ञापनों के माध्यम से, डी through his shop, उनकी दुकान के माध्यम से। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी थ्रू हिज एक्सेप्शनल बूट्स, उनके असाधारण जूतों के माध्यम से।
Fill in the blanks. Mr. Gessler and his brother lived in a small shop located in a fashionable part of blank. Option is A. Paris, B. London, C. Rome, D. Berlin. Answer is option B. London.
The shop had no sign except the name of blank brothers. Option is A. Smith, B. Geller. C. Gessler. D. Tanner. Answer is option C. Gessler.
Mr. Gessler's boots were known for their blank fit. Option is A. Tight. B. Loose. C. Perfect. D. Uncomfortable. Answer is option C. Perfect.
The narrator felt like he was entering a blank when he went into Mr. Gessler's shop. Option is A. Market. B. Church. C. Library. D. Park. Answer is option B. Church.
Mr. Gessler considered boot making to be a N blank task. Option is A. Easy. B. Joyful. C. Arduous. D. Relaxing. Answer is option C. Arduous.
Mr. Gessler suggested that some boots are blank from birth. Option is A. Perfect. B. Inferior. C. Faulty. D. Expensive. Answer is option C. Faulty.
Mr. Gessler never advertised his boots but relied on blank. Option is A. Quality. B. Price. C. Discounts. D. Quantity. Answer is option A. Quality.
Mr. Gessler's shop was taken over by new management after his blank. Option is A. Retirement. B. Success. C. Starvation. D. Fame. Answer is option C. Starvation.
Mr. Gessler refused to let anyone else blank his boots. Option is A. Buy. B. Wear. C. Sell. D. Make. Answer is option D. Make.
The narrator ordered several pairs of boots before going blank. Option is A. Home. B. Abroad. C. To work. D. To school. Answer is option B. Abroad.
Mr. Gessler's elder brother was also a blank. Option is A. Cobbler. B. Tailor. C. Barber. D. Blacksmith. Answer is option A. Cobbler.
Mr. Gessler's shop was located in a blank street. Option is A. Busy. B. Narrow. C. Wide. D. Crowded. Answer is option B. Narrow.
Mr. Gessler's dedication to his craft led to his blank. Option is A. Wealth. B. Happiness. C. Decline. D. Retirement. Answer is option C. Decline.
Mr. Gessler's boots were made with the blank materials. Option is A. Cheapest. B. Average. C. Subpar. D. Best. Answer is option D. Best.
Mr. Gessler's shop had a certain quiet blank. Option is A. Reputation. B. Ambience. C. Distinction. D. Noise. Answer is option C. Distinction.
Mr. Gessler's elder brother died due to blank. Option is A. Starvation. B. Illness. C. Old age. D. Accident. Answer is option B. Illness.
Mr. Gessler's dedication to his craft made him a blank. Option is A. Millionaire, B. Celebrity, C. Legend, D. Recluse. Answer is option C. Legend.
Mr. Gessler's legacy lived on through his blank boots. Option is A. Inferior, B. Custom made, C. Cheap, D. Advertised. Answer is option B. Custom made.
Mr. Gessler's shop was a sanctuary of blank and tradition. Option is A. Commercialism, B. Modernism, C. Fashion, D. Quality. Answer is option D. Quality.